Hello guys, recently I have learned to make a website. I have started learning. I am really interested in it, but there is an issue. That is, it requires a domain to display. And if you want a domain, you have to pay for it.
Then buy it.
But they are charging tons of money for it.
Don't lie, see this.
Yeah, but it's too expensive for me. Then I heard about GitHub. They are offering a pack called GitHub Student Developer Pack for students, and members are getting a free domain plus more benefits. So I am going to try it. This isn't possible in a single video. This is going to be a series. This is its first part, creating icons for it. So welcome to Nafin Island presents Nafin Cursor. I'm not going to show applying for GitHub student pack. I'll make a separate video for it. At least if one of you asks if you want, just comment below this video. It's free.
Everyone knows that. Get back to the topic.
Okay, Mr. Alvin. Today we have 5 steps to go. First, installing the app, then creating icon, giving a final touch, then exporting as an SVG file, finally testing in browser. So let's start installing Inkscape. First of all, open your browser and search for Inkscape or click on the link I have given in the description. Click on this or this link. I'm using Microsoft Edge and really love it. Give it a try. You can even install from Microsoft Store, but I don't recommend that because the program crashes and I had to reinstall.
Why it keeps spinning? Because he didn't pay the Wi-Fi bill.
Shut up! I say to Alvin. This is the landing page. Now select your OS. I am clicking on Windows. It will redirect to this page. Select your processor architecture. Mine is 64-bit. It will ask you for the installer type. I think I am gonna go with .exe. It will start downloading. The speed is dependent on your internet speed and the system.
Browser?
Maybe. After your download finished, open it and install it as usual. Not much hard. So the first step is complete. Not done yet. Now let's jump into the creating icons. So now open Inkscape. This is the home page of new version. Let's start by creating a new file, the SVG file. So click on new document and it will open like this. If you open it for first time, it won't look like this. You can't see this window and we do not need this for now. First of all, we have to change its size.
What size?
The page size. This black line shows its border. Let's change. We have to open document properties for it. The shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+D. It will open this window. You can also do this via the file tab above. So now change units to pixel and set the height and width to get a box shape. Give the same value for both. Now our document is ready. To align everything center, now I am creating this and then I am gonna lock that layer. I have to create a new layer. Let's start with the search icon. First, draw a circle using the ellipse tool. The shortcut is E. Hold Ctrl when drawing to get a circle. Otherwise, it will create a...
Creature?
I don't know. Now I'm duplicating it and scaling it down while pressing and holding Ctrl Shift to scale down to center. I change the color to see the difference. To make a hole in the center, select both, then go to Path and click on Different, or use the hotkey Ctrl-. Nice. To make the handle, use Rectangle tool. Let's align it. To rotate it, click on it once again when the cursor tool is selected. After you align it, select both and press Ctrl plus to merge both. Now let's color it. I'm going to use this gradient color for it. Press G to switch to gradient tool. Done. And make sure you have turned on this. I will explain its use in a moment. Let's start next one. Create a rectangle and make it rounded with these tiny dots. To make its base, I'm going to use path different. Now switch to node tool and make these corners rounded. If you can't see these two handles, just click and drag that stroke. Now the neck, leg, body, anything. Align those and then merge. It's time to color. Both a single object, select these and press Ctrl plus G to group. Next one is easy, the more icon. Create a circle by pressing and holding Ctrl, then duplicate it by pressing Shift plus D. I think maybe Ctrl plus D, then group those. It's time to create navigating icons. With the rectangle tool, I'm creating a rectangle and making those corners rounded by dragging the tiny white dot, then duplicating it and flip it like this while holding Ctrl. For the door, I'm just scaling it a bit. It's complete. Now it's time to create an About Us icon. I'm just using different option from the Path tab.
But you didn't click on the Path tab?
I'm using the shortcut Ctrl minus for it. Pretty much done. Now let's color it. But I am not satisfied with this icon. I'll modify this in the end. Let's move the chat icon. I don't know why I am creating this, but I'll make a website soon. So stay tuned and slap that subscribe button to join our greatest Nafin empire. Use some rectangles like this to make it like a message. Then
Color.
yeah. And the next icon is apps icon. So we can feature the apps we make in our Nafin Island.
Means this channel. So subscribe.
I am using this circle to make this corner more rounder than others. So let's do it. Cut these existing parts and use it to cut this part. Go to node tool and delete these points to make it rounded.
I think you don't have an idea to make it.
Shut up.
Don't make me angry.
I said shut up.
I will try.
Nice. Let's group it. Now the final icon, announcement icon. Let's do it. So I'm going to make it like a sound generator.
What generator?
Wait and see. For the waves, I'm going to use strokes. I'm using radial gradient for this.
Radial gradient means center to outside.
For the strokes, use stroke color tab and comment your favorite icon. Perfect. So now let's give this a final touch. Before we start, I will explain these settings. Now if you drag this icon without enabling it, its color will stay at there and won't move with your object. Also for this border radius and stroke width. If you enable it, its color, border radius and stroke size won't change. Remember to enable it. Let's modify this About Us icon. While selecting my object, I am going to gradient tool and double clicking here. It will create a new gradient point. We can color it later. Let's try adding this letter N. I'm using Bezier pen tool for this. The hotkey is B. You can edit it later with the node tool. I think its height is low. Let's fix it. I have deleted some points to make it rounded. So the final touch is over. What's next?
Subscribe.
Yeah. We are not going to use this as an PNG file, so we have to export these all as a SVG file. For that, press Ctrl+N to make a new file. Then set its document size and just copy paste the icons there and save it. For this second one, move this and paste it in the frame and press Ctrl+Shift+S to save separately. Use the format SVG or Inkscape SVG. We are done. It's time to test. Open your browser and the file explorer and go to the location that you saved these SVG files. Then click on it and right click on it. Then click on open with and select your browser. I am using Edge and I really like it more than Chrome. So you can see it. If you zoom it, you won't be able to feel the pixelating effect.
This is pixelating. Hey editor, show that image. What?
Yeah. And a big thanks for watching. Like this video and share to your friends and subscribe to don't miss upcoming episodes and series. And
Join Nafin Empire.
also find us on these two. If you got an error while opening Filmora Pro, then just watch my previous video. See you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye from Nafin Prince. Yeah, it's me.